Assalamualaikum. My name is Ariba Hashmi, student of BA 2.5 Morning, roll number 10. Subject Theoretical Understanding of Listening Skills, second semester. I am dedicate my work, my beloved parents, and I am also dedicate my work to subject teacher Sir Rukman Power. Acknowledgement. I am very thankful to Almighty Allah, who is the great and the glorious, and the honor of life given and taking acknowledge the presentation of my respectable teacher Sir Lukman Power. Unit number 1, Theoretical Understanding of Listening Skill. Content of my presentation. First we start introduction. Listening is the first step of every learning. Listening is the one most important skills to effective communication and help a learner to individuals for their careers. Every learner needs to first listening, then speaking, reading, writing. Child start their learning for listening, then listening anything, and they speaking after they read and then write. So no one can write effectively if they are not good listener. Different definitions of listening skills. The process of receiving, constructing meaning from the responding, the spoken and verbal and non-verbal message to hear something with thoughtful attention. Listening give attention to sound or action. The physical and psychological process that involves acquiring, assigning meaning and responding to symbolic message from others. Difference: hearing and listening. Hearing is an act of receiving sound and receiving sound waves through your ears. But listening act of hearing a sound that understand what you hear. Here is one of the five senses. But listening is required concentration. Hearing is simply happens, but listening leads to concentration, learning. Hearing is use only ears, but listening use different senses. Hearing is a physical act, but listening is a psychological act. Listening comprehension. Listening comprehension encompasses the process involved in understanding and making sense of spoken language. These include recognizing speech, sound, understand the meaning to individual words. To understand the listening comprehension, we pass the process of listening. There are 5 listening processes: receiving, understanding, remembering, evaluating, and responding. First, receiving the data, verbal and non-verbal. After we receive the data, then understand what they are trying to say and remember. Then remember all their conversation. After they complete, start evaluate their message into pieces. And last, you respond and remember. Don't interrupt. Then he complete our speech. Then it's time to respond. Type of listener is L2. L2 is second language. The process which people learn another language in addition to their native language. Views of listening. Top-down processing. When our thinking influences how we see the environment. These perceptions are heavily influenced by our previous knowledge. We know it like fill in the blanks. Our brain knows what's next. Example, Necker cube. Necker cube is 3-dimensional, one side shaded, but our brain seeks visual sense. The perception should size. Bottom-up processing. When the environment influences our thinking. The idea that we begin to perceive items with sensation and are also known data-driven processing, because the data we collect with our senses. Example, we drive the road. With sensation, the road, the sign where we fast and where we fast and where we slow. Type of listening: extensive listening. Extensive listening, listening for pleasure. Listening for pleasure. That allow to learner to receive a large amount of comprehensive and enjoyable input like audio tapes, course tapes, and tapes authentic material to enhance dialogue delivery. Example, to improve our vocabulary and dialogues. Intensive listening. Intensive listening to specific information. Intensive learning focus to information with detailed manner. Use Flinto. are used to authentic real world videos like music, news, and meanings of other words. Moods of listening. There are three moods of effective listening: attentive listening, responsive listening, and active listening. First, attentive listening. Attentive listener focused on a speaker without interruption and eliminate the distraction like mobiles. Effective listening, if an attentive listener motivate the speaker, ask question, alert non-verbal queries, don't interrupt, don't trust our memory, goal in direct message, not the person. Don't angry, impossible listen and speaking at the same time. So do one work and the work time. Responsive listening. Responsive listener encourage the speaker to continue their speech and give positive verbal and non-verbal cues like smile and say I see, yes, you are right. Active listening. Active listening is the foundation of effective listener communication. Active listeners are always focused on the speaker to understand their message. If they have problems, they solve smartly to their effective listening skills. Active listeners are always solve problems, resolve conflict, and build a relationship, best relationship and career. Utilize these three modes of listening will make us a more effective listener and in turn a more effective communication. Levels of listening. Levels of listening is simply positive way to help us get better to us listening. There are 4 listening levels: factual listening, perceptive listening, emotive listening, and 4 mixed listening. First, factual listening. Factual listeners are open-minded, make a new ideas without any prior judgment. They are good for scientists. Perceptive listening. Perceptive listeners are interpret the words and focus what's really going on. It's really complex, requires totally focused on speaker. Emotive listening. Emotive listeners are always understand the feeling or emotions of speaker and solve their problems and create positive environment. Mixed listening. Mixed listening use network to upload and download audio or video material to online learning. Required physical presence of the teacher and student. Used in professional and development and training setting. Conclusion. Most people spend at least half their communication time to listen. The most used communication skills is not only critical in interpersonal communication, it also affects organizational communication and help determine successful in education and in careers. Canon Morphy says, the better you listen, the luckier you will get. So take time to listen. Thank you.